Underground storage of petroleum products. Yesterday we had lecture from Dr. Altaf Usmani, who have given a detailed account of this project. Road tunnels after successful construction of Atal Tunnel and its dedication to the nation. We have also used the picture of Atal Tunnel in our banner. A set of Indian companies are expected to team up with the globally organized companies and jointly make bids for global tenders on tunneling, hydro projects, and underground space technology. India's input can reduce the cost of construction significantly, even in the most challenging geological and inhospitable conditions. Indian companies, they have started getting contract outside India, especially in Middle East, to construct metro projects. It is expected that the globally organized corporations might build at least one large underground market for selling their products in the heart of metropolitan cities. The air conditioning of underground markets will be highly pleasing and highly attractive to the consumers and safe from earthquakes, tornadoes, noise, and pollution. In the long run, underground commercial complexes with underground parking lots and underground storage and underground link roads will be highly profitable for future markets, and it will be far away from already congested surface markets which we have. The global trend nowadays is to utilize the underground space available below the existing railway stations in the mega cities for the construction of markets. So you must be very well aware of that nowadays we are governed by market forces. So these market forces will lead to development of markets on already suprastructures which we had and which have already occupied large space, for example, railway station or bus station. There is a need for urban ground space development in India, however, may not be very critical as compared to other developed countries. Due to rapid growth of development, the demand for land also increases in the future. India seems to utilize all surface underground spaces for achieving sustainable development. It is rather futile to develop underground space without sustainable elements associated with it. Therefore, underground space must use and must conform to the sustainable development in urban area because it will give impact on the physical, social environment of the surface area which we have. Urbanization must always take into account underground space as an important element of development and sustainability. A three-dimensional concept of the city and land planning should constitute the basis for long-term management of resources. Underground space should be tied to the sustainability of urban area because the use of underground facilities can positively impact on the extent to which human occupancy of a land area affects the surface environment. You see, with the development, we are eating out. I will say eating out, or we are overusing the green field areas. And it is the green field areas which are producing food for us. Not only they are producing food for us through vegetation, they are also producing oxygen for us. So we have to minimize the occupancy of green field areas by going under the ground so that over the ground we can have the development of green field as such, and we can do with our own infrastructure development under the ground. The development of urban underground space must conform to a required standard of sustainable development. Already we have discussed, and then he has placed a thanks for all of us. So that was the last few slides of Professor N.K. Samadia. I will share the whole PowerPoint presentation. We are in receipt of almost 3 or 4 PowerPoint presentation already. We will share it with you. So here I will stop, and now I will ask our participants to say few words. And because the list with me is there in alphabetical order, so I will start with Mr. Abdul Hai. I will start with Mr. Abdul Hai, if he can speak. Mr. Abdul Hai, if you can speak. Mr. Abdul Hai, if you can hear me and if you can speak. Dr. Ajmal Hussain. Dr. Ajmal Hussain. Dr. Ajmal Hussain. Dr. Ajmal Hussain, can you hear me? Dr. Ajmal Hussain. Dr. Ajmal Hussain, if you are hearing me. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Dr. Prateek Goyal. डॉक्टर प्रदीप गोयल, मुझे यहाँ से अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा। डॉक्टर प्रतीक गोयल, डॉक्टर प्रतीक गोयल, डॉक्टर अरशद हुसैन, डॉक्टर अरशद हुसैन,
Yes, sir.
if you can.
I'm here. Okay, am I audible? My voice is
yes, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you very much, Professor Masroor Alam Saab. First of all, at the outset, I would like to thank the organizers for such a wonderful faculty development program on underground space utilization. Though it was not a part of my specialized subjects, I belong to the environmental engineering, but I have very much interest in this important subject of underground space utilization. So the organizers have very rightly sought the lectures from very renowned speakers from IITs and Delhi Metro Rail Corporation and Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation. All the resource persons were very good. The lectures were very engrossing and interesting, and it increased our knowledge a great deal about the tunneling work, about the engineering geological aspects, about the importance of rocks and how to do the boring of tunnels with the help of machines and with the help of the blasting and drilling method and so on. The lecture delivered by Professor Samadia was wonderful, and another lecture by Professor Masroor Alam again enlightened and say increased our knowledge in engineering geology regarding the rocks. And today's lecture in the morning itself was again very much interesting regarding the missile attack or the possibility of safeguarding the tunnels with the missile attack. So all the lectures were very interesting, and this FDP improved our knowledge a great deal. So I want to thank Professor Masroor Alam, Dr. Rehan Sadiq, all the resource persons and Chairman Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Baki, and other professors who have toiled hard to make this FDP a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Again, I will ask Dr. Prateek Goyal to say a few words. Perhaps Dr. Shilpa Paul is ready to speak. So I will request Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Prateek Goyal.
Ajmal Hussain, sir.
Ajmal Hussain, sir, please come.
Yes, sir. Sir. Sir, this has been an absolutely amazing and enlightening workshop. I have enjoyed a lot from this session, and especially from Engineer Saurabh Sharma, DMRC, on soft ground tunneling, and Altaf Usmani's lecture, sir. It was very informative, and I can feel that I will use these things which we have gained from here to my students and staff. And overall, the FTP was beautifully crafted, sir. Thank you very much, Professor Masroor Sahab. and Dr. Rehan Sading for organizing such a beautiful FDP. Thank you.
Thank you. I will request all of you to come in video. Please put your video camera on so that we can have all of you on the screen. Dr. Preeti Patel. Dr. Preeti Patel. Dr. Preeti Patel.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Yes.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, please.
A very good afternoon to all participants also.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir, it is my privilege to say few words about this program. Okay, basically I am from structural engineering, but the sum of the few topics, if I will consider like seismic safety, then underground structure subjected to loading, this type of topics are connected with the structural concepts also. So
Yes.
I also learned a lot from this STTP, and most of these sessions are very informative. It gives some idea for a new project works also, and to go with some research area also. So overall, the view of this FTP is at very high rating from my point of view. I also very much thankful to the coordinators, Professor Masoor Alam and Rehan Siddiqui sir. Again, I will say about the management and timing, all are the very appropriate, and all the coordinators and the other members of your civil department are the very cooperative and nice. Okay? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the good words. Hari Padmanabhan. Mr. Hari Padmanabhan. Mr. Hari Padmanabhan. Mr. Hari Padmanabhan. Mr. Ibadur Rahman. Mr. Ibadur Rahman.
Sir.
Yes, please come in.
Alaikum and good afternoon to all.
Come in video. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, please say a few words.
Sir, the workshop, this FDP was very much basically very informative in all perspective, especially for our teachers, for students, and for all. The new developments and all the new techniques have been discussed very thoroughly, and all we will be benefited in future for Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you, Ibad. Dr. Ibad, we can hear you. Dr. Ibad, we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. You
Hello.
are audible. Perhaps there is some link.
Hello.
Perhaps. Yes, we can hear you. Speak. Okay, you can come afterwards. Yes, we are listening. Dr. Karthik Pandey. Dr. Karthik Pandey.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Please come in video. Please introduce yourself and then say a few words.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Karthik Pandey from India.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
Good.
Sir, sessions are really useful and informative, sir. I learned a lot of things.
Okay.
Special thanks to Alam sir and the entire team for the valuable FTP. That's all, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.
It's a really useful thing for us.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Kirmani. Mr. Kirmani. I am going alphabetically. Mr. Khurram Kirmani. Mr. Khurram Kirmani.
Sir, my network was off at that time.
Okay. No problem. You can continue.
Thank you very much, sir, for the nice arrangements. All the things were planned accordingly,
Okay.
and we all are benefited from this FDP program. Thank you very much, and thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Lakshman Dhamoji. Mr. Lakshman Dhamoji. Mr. Lakshman Dhamoji. Mr. Lakshman Dhamoji, if you can hear me. Mr. Mohammad Mohsin. Mr. Mohammad Mohsin. Mr. Mohammad Mohsin. Dr. Muhammad Shariq.
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Sir, the current FDP, the title is very much related to the current scenario of construction, and it is a you have chosen a extreme engineering area that is required in the field of civil engineering. My suggestion is that when offline classes will be started, you can organize such type of courses offline mode in offline mode. That is my suggestion.
Definitely.
Because in online mode sometimes there may be a problem of weak internet connections and all that. So true information we can get in offline mode. That is my suggestion from this part.
Sorry, sir, your video is off.
Actually,
Yes,
you have very correctly used the word extreme engineering.
yes,
Nowadays, it is time for extreme engineering, and we will
yes.
take care for the offline program, which we'll be hopefully having in a month or two. Thank you.
Inshallah.
Mr.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. Muneshwar Bajigar. Mr. Muneshwar Bajigar. Mr. Muneshwar Badigar. Can you hear me? Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed. Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed.
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Yes.
FDP was very nice, and I totally enjoyed and learned a lot in this FDP. And actually, the style and the knowledge of the presenter and the speaker from the various ITs was very good and very informative, sir. I learned a lot in this FDP. And the best part of this FDP is that the response of the organizer, whenever we face any difficulty, they promptly reply on WhatsApp group. That's the worst, that is the best part of this FDP, sir. So I totally enjoyed it and learned a lot of new things and new methods in current domain. So thank you, sir. And Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Mr. Mustafiz. Mr. Mustafiz. Mr. Mustafiz.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Please introduce yourself and then say a few words.
Sir, I'm Mustafiz from Lucknow. I'm
Okay.
pursuing masters in
Very
structure.
good. How was the program?
It's been a very good experience with learning in structural engineering, sir. Though it's not related to my sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You see, lot of structural engineering is involved. Whenever you go for cut and cover method for underground structures are involved. Mr. Rajkumar Makwana.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rajkumar Makwana. Mr. Rajkumar Makwana. Mr. Rajkumar Makwana. Rasik Kumar Makwana, sorry. Rasik Kumar Makwana. Professor Rizwan Ahmed Khan. Professor Rizwan Ahmed Khan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity to say a few words at the end. I think it is a very well organized FDP, though I have attended many FDPs, but the major focus, or you can say importance of this FDP, was that we have a person from the field. This is very important. And they have been, you can say, well connected by the people from the academia also. So it is a mixture that has been well planned, and finally we have got a good output in the form of culmination of this FDP, where I hope everyone may have got due knowledge that they desire to be there from this FDP. So overall, I can say that well organized, thanks to you and Rehan, and also well thought out, you can say, speakers who are being there from the field, who have given their best to the people like us. We may not be having such a great knowledge in this field, but I think after going through many lectures, though frankly speaking, some of I missed out somewhere, but mostly I have tried to be there, and I hope that I will be able to implement some of the knowledge that I gain in future of my research work that may be there. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, thank you. Teacher is the first learner. Teacher is the first learner, so we have to be ready for learning.
Definitely, definitely, sir, definitely.
Shameem Ahmed Dar. Shameem Ahmed Dar. Shameem Ahmed Dar. Dr. Shameem Ahmed Dar. Mr. SKS. Mr. Singhal. Mr. Singhal. Mr. Singhal. Mr. Siddharth. Mr. Siddharth. Mr. Siddharth. Mrs. Sona. Mrs. Sona. Mrs. Sona. Sayyid Muhammad Noman. Sayyid Muhammad Noman.
Yes, sir. Good
Please.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm Noman Tariq from Aligarh.
Yes.
I'm really very thankful to organizers, Sir Masroor sir and Rehan sir, for organizing such a nice and wonderful workshop. I'm really very thankful to you, sir. Though it's not my specialization area, I'm from architecture, but the lectures of experts are really informative and easy to understand, sir. And it's create multidisciplinary interest also. I'm very thankful to experts also, sir. And thank you very much, sir.
Okay, Numan Sahab, once we have mastery over tunnels, mastery over underground construction, then architecture will also be used.
Yes, of course, sir. It's a multidisciplinary.
Time is not
It's
far
create
away.
multidisciplinary interest also, sir.
We have different architectural design of subsurface structures. Ultimately, we have to make it livable. So then architecture is needed there.
Yes, sir, of course, multidisciplinary.
Yes.
Very interesting lectures also there, sir.
Yes, okay, thank you. Dr. Tariq Siddiqui. Dr. Tariq Siddiqui. Dr. Tariq
Yes, sir.
Siddiqui. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to convey my thanks to the organizers, Professor Masroor Alam Saab, Dr. Rehan Sadiq Saab, and am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. You can come in your video also. Video, you can.
So this FDP was very nice, and it was quite informative for me. Since I am from the Department of Geology, AMU, so I was not much aware about particularly the excavation part. Since I am from geology, I was very much engaged in geotechnical evaluation of the tunnels, and I was much aware about the geology, but particularly in the blasting and excavation part, I gained a lot of things, a lot of new techniques, and some new aspects on which I can also work upon by implementing geological sciences. So at the end, I would like to again say thanks to the organizers, and I would like to give one suggestion that in future that you have organized a very wonderful FDP. In future, you can also try for some FDP or some workshop related to the slope stability and the landslide. That will be very useful. So thank you, sir.
Thank
And
you.
thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Tariq. Your field is slope stability, and in underground tunnels also we need slope stability.
Yeah, obviously.
Ultimately, it is the whole case is of slope stability. Underground creation of slopes, we are having three-dimensional slopes now. We have hanging slope also, and we have ground slope also, and the walls are there. So, lot of scope for your field. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Abdul Amjad Naz. Abdul Amjad Naz.
Yes, sir.
Please come in.
Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Mr. Amjad, working in cement plant as a deputy chief engineer, environment and safety. I am a ex-AMU. I have done my BTech and MTech from Aligarh Muslim University. Thank you very much for informing me, and I participated in this program, and it was very fruitful for me, because we have one quarry mines also. Limestone mines we have in our cement plant nearby. So I got through this program, I came to know about some of the new techniques. When I used to pass by through the metro, I used to think how they have constructed. But through these presentations and various lectures, I came to know all the things, especially about Delhi Metro and Mumbai Metro. And personally, I feel that AICT has given this program correctly to Zakir Hussain College, especially your department, and you have really, shared your expertise and all the knowledge, and it was very, very fruitful for us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Dr. Shilpa Paul. Khan Amadul Rahman. Khan Amadul Rahman.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
And a very good afternoon to all the participants and all organizers. And as I am not from, I am from architecture background. So I was thinking when I read the title that some buildings and some structures which are to be constructed as part of the building would be there. So although I enjoyed all the concepts and the presentations that the experts made, so the introductory part was very, very interesting, and I got to know many new things. But as soon as the technical aspects and the analytical aspects started, I totally lost everything. Anyhow, it was a good organized workshop.
Yes.
And I learned a lot, many things, and I also asked some questions which I was thinking about for so many years. So I got that replied very well by the experts, and they gave a very well reply. And it was very well organized also. The organizers are very active, and they gave us constant reminders about the sessions being started and ending. And I can imagine that it was a mammoth task for everybody involved. And so best of luck for all your future programs, and I hope to be part of that also.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Masroor Alam.
Thank you. Surya Narayan Perumal. Dr. Surya Narayan Perumal. Surya Narayan Perumal, if you can hear me. Surya Narayan Perumal. Mr. Sunil Kumar Singhal. Mr. Sunil Kumar Singhal.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello.
Please come in your video also.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
All the participants and organizers. Sir, I am thankful to you all as you have arranged such a important workshop on underground utilization of space.
Can have your video. If we can have your video also.
I'm trying, sir, something wrong, sir, at
Oh,
this end,
no
sir.
problem, no problem.
I'm trying to,
No problem.
sir. Sir, I am thankful to you all that you have organized such a important workshop on underground space utilization, because not much was in our knowledge as to how the things are being carried out on ground. Basically, tunneling is one of the subjects. I am basically a lecturer in civil engineering in Government Polytechnic, Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
Okay.
We have been teaching this subject, but we were relying on the textbooks basically. Not much was in our knowledge also. But now, after attending the sessions and the presentations by the practicing engineers, they have really given a good insight into how the things are being organized and carried out. And I feel it would be very beneficial to our students also, because till now they were basically preparing for the exam only. They were just reading the text on tunneling and giving the exam. Now I'm very sure that if this input is given to the students also, they would be benefited a lot. And once they are on actual job, I'm sure they will not require much of training as to how the things have to be carried out, because initially they will be having something in their mind as regards the actual execution is concerned. So I feel, sir, in future also, such important topics which are rarely touched by other institutions and organizations, if such information is being disseminated by FDPs, I feel it would benefit a lot to the faculties as well as to the engineering fraternity at large.
Thank you.
Once again, thankful to you all. Thank you, sir.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Mrs. Sona K. Mrs. Sona K. Mrs. Sona K. Mrs. Sona K. So perhaps anybody else? It is open for anybody who want to speak. Khurram? Khurram? Or anyone can come in now. I have gone through the list alphabetically. If anyone can come in, he and or she is most welcome. Now I'll advise you to be in the WhatsApp group for a few days till you get your certificate. A lot of work has to be done from our side. We have to upload the marks, and then they will go through this, and then finally you will get the certificate from the AICT itself. Now I will hand over the chair to our co-coordinator, Dr. Muhammad Rehan Sadiq, to say a few words and place vote of thanks for all of you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, good afternoon to all of you. And really, it was a nice week to have such participants with us. And first of all, I will thank all the participants to be very much regular. Even some of my friend has been very much surprised that we have 60 or 60 plus participants in almost all the session. So it was your wonderful zest and zeal that has been shown here. And I am very much thankful for all the resource person also who have accepted our request and spare our time here and giving very good presentation. We will very soon try to finalize all the things so that you can get the ultimate thing, that is certificates of participation. And in future, we will also try to make these type of things in terms of the workshops and international conferences so that we can all have a platform together in future, inshallah. So in final words, I thank you all again, all of you. Thanks for your patience and bearing us, and thanks for your coordination. Thank you all. So,
Thank you.
so with these words, we are closing this WebEx session here.
Anybody?
Still anybody want to say something? Anyone?
Yeah, yours,
Thank you very much.
Masroor Saab's and Rehan Saab's effort was, we appreciate those things, and really we enjoy